Pocket some stones again into our unfortunate cameraman. And without a doubt, Leos is closing on the Honda pair also. It's a three-way battle at the front. Gabor is coming under more and more pressure. That's Dirk Gerkins.
Once considered outdated technology, two-stroke engines and big-bore single-cylinder machines were predicted to go extinct. However, trends tell a different story. Both are making a strong comeback. This was further proven at Expo, where Australian off-road brand Thumpstar unveiled its latest 500cc two-stroke dirt bike for the first time. While Thumpstar has been known for using Chinese components, this bike stands apart. Its heart is developed using a Honda CR500-based engine with parts from BRC Racing, a Calgary, Canada-based company specializing in CR500 engines. According to the presentation, this is not just a CR500 replica, but a unique configuration blending various components specifically for this machine. What makes it even more interesting are the modern updates applied to the engine. Thanks to BRC's refinements, it now features a balanced shaft, a 6-speed transmission, and an electric starter while still retaining a kickstarter. For those who have struggled with kick starting a 500cc bike, the addition of an electric starter is welcome news. Despite still using a Honda-made piston and a carburetor instead of FE, this engine promises smoother performance than the original CR500. In fact, dyno data on display showed it producing more peak power than its predecessor. Component-wise, Thumpstar has equipped this bike with a CNC-machined Swingarm, Excel rims, and high-end Ohlins suspension. However, it's important to note that the unit showcased was a prototype, assembled just days before Expo. If the bike enters production, some specifications, particularly the suspension, may be adjusted to keep the price competitive, with a target of under $10,000 USD. The big question is, will the market embrace a 500cc two-stroke at that price? Even Thumpstar is uncertain, as no major manufacturer has released a similar model in the past 2 decades. For some, this bike is a dream come true. One enthusiast even compared it to riding a herd of raging wildebeest with nothing but their horns to hold on to. Others are hoping for a street-legal supermoto version, as its aggressive nature would be perfect for asphalt riding. Meanwhile, some two-stroke fans have raised concerns about the practicality of the CNC machine Swingarm. While it looks striking, it could become a mud trap, especially in extreme enduro conditions. Others recalled their experiences with the old CR500, where the sheer power of a 500cc engine often made it harder to control on tight trails compared to modern, lighter, and more responsive 250cc bikes. In the coming months, more prototypes of this model will be revealed. Thumpstar has also hinted at the possibility of producing limited units for custom orders before full-scale production begins.